sand. What do they call that? It's kinetic sand. Giving SpongeBob tumbleweed. And we added the white stuff. Oh, fuck. Look it into a little dumpster. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Oh, that's mustard. That's mustard. This shit on the side, though. Okay, I'll mix it a little. So good. This guy just walked by with the sickest freaking pants, bro. Yo, my hand is fucking shaking from this shit. The sun is unreal today. It's back. No. Someone said the joke, what happens when you can't write with a broken pencil? It's pointless. I'm doing some spring cleaning. It doesn't really look like everything's fucking spread out. Oh, what the fuck happened to my receipt? Why is it like this? What happened? You know what? I think I'm gonna keep it because it looks sick. I don't know what happened. Ding 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 ding. The last video, maybe that's too big on her. From my G-ma. She's a G, my grandma. Oh shit, I just put this in water. But why is there water here? I don't really know. I was gonna clean this, right? There's some kind of weird, I think it was from the pencil, which is why I broke it. Because it always got my hands too. I don't know why I didn't throw it out earlier. It's a bunch of like the pencil shit. At least I think it is. I don't really know what else it would be. It happened in my hand when I fucking used it. And I don't think it was this one. So I'm gonna keep this one. Y'all are just listening to my fucking inner monologue right now. Should I use this one or should I get another one? I'll use this. I don't know how this is gonna go. You know, I'm just gonna, because this is alcoholic, right? Okay. And then I'm gonna go in the bathroom. I don't even know how this is gonna go, my G. Like, what is that shit, too? Why did my pencil start doing that? Oh my god, bro, the water is still white. But what is that? This. Oh, hello there! Situation. This isn't working. Like, what did I think was gonna come out of it? I thought it would be like, oh, I'll give it a good soak. Now I can't even. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just throw this shit out, cause ain't no way I'm getting all this off. Oh, wait. Yeah, I don't know why it's like, maybe my backpack got hot at one point and then it's like the paint melted off. But why is it like chemically burning through my pen though? Is this what they call about like lead? Eating your face? Like, never mind. Yeah, this is a fucking waste of time. It's fun though. Cleaning. I could just get new shit. Yeah, I could just restock. Really? I could skip 2 or 3 classes without it affecting my grade. And saying, oh no, don't take it out of winter because then you can take it when it's warm out. What? Taking it winter so I don't have to go out in the cold to walk to class. But to each his own. I'm literally gonna walk out there anyways to pick up some shit from the bookstore. I mean, I don't think my mom watches these, so I got her. She wants a magnet, right? A magnet for my school. Every time I've gone there, they've been out of stock. And then bam, I saw them yesterday. I was like, oh shit, I gotta go get one. And then I forgot my fucking phone was dead. I went to the register, my phone was dead. Had no cash. And she already like scanned the thing. I was like, oh, you know what? This might actually not go through. When I swiped it, she was like, ooh, like fingers crossed up in there. Like, yes, girl. And then it didn't work. So I'm going back today. And she actually, I told her that I've written here every time. She was like, oh, do you want me to put it aside? I'll put a little sticky note with your name on it. I was like, yo, you know what? That'd be awesome. So, I mean, it might be awkward going back to be like, hi, yeah, yesterday someone put a sticky note with my shit on it. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. Whoa, look at this. Yo. That's magic. Oh, that's beautiful. It's like a flower out of water flowers. Spinning around. Oh, dang, it cleaned it. See, when you don't think about it, it just, things happen, you know? That's the vibe. Okay, there's no way I'm getting an egg. Oh. I wish I had some other cleaning supplies. Oh, now it just looks like it's gross and old, you know what I mean? I don't like the look. I'm gonna throw this up. What the heck? Pencil, why you do this thing? Why you do that? Why you do that? I saw this thing out like guy giving the girl gifts. She goes, why you kind? Why you bring me stuff? Why you do that? Why you nice? I thought it was so funny. I don't think I can do this much longer without me like feeling like I'm wasting my time. So I'm gonna just finish this one off. It's not even, it's like moving it around. Yeah, that's definitely for my pencil. It's making it look all gross and shit. We don't need that. We're good without it. But I guess we're good with it too. We're good with getting rid of it. Okay, whatever. There we go. Not too much. Okay. Alright. I could put this back, you know? Like I could, without it being like, ew, every time I pick it up. Just gross. So yeah, this is what I'm deciding to do instead of going to class. No, really, I'm doing, oh shit, I just got sidetracked. And I was pulling something out of my backpack and I can't get this little thing on the NG. Yeah, there's no way I'm, oh shit, what the fuck? Started peeling at it. Why is it turning black? Yeah, I would have to literally take off all the paint for it to look good again. Do I do that? Why am I tempted to do that? Okie dokie. Oh my god. Shit. Okay. Oh, someone put a heart. Okay, this might be insane of me. It might be a little too far. I just want to see the potential of what it could look like. I'm gonna dull the blade. Yeah, I'm not doing this. Never mind. What am I doing, bro? I just thought it would be quick, like, oh, arts and crafts thing. Seeing what Oh my god, wait, this is fun. But I'm doing I'm doing the knife. Or maybe this could be a sharpener afterwards. Don't people go like, whatever you believe goes. Okay. Well, I'm gonna leave that down there. Okay. It doesn't really stay closed that well. Maybe that's why it was $3. One little bump and it fucking slapped open. Hell no. I'm scared to even put it anywhere. Fingers off. Maybe I need a case, you know? A little case. I'm scared to put it in my backpack because like I'm going up and down and the thing's gonna go out. I need like one of those extra pocket things. Okay. It even got on my mystery liquid. Dang. Bro, what? That was weird. Yo, this thing is so sick though. I still can't get over it, man. G. It looks like the Too Much music video, to be H. So many hair ties.
Take care now. Bye-bye then.
So I gotta get the ones from the bathroom too. Cause I always, when I wash my hair, I usually have my hair up and I go in and I'm like, oh, I gotta wash my hair, and I take it out and there's probably like 5, 10. Go check it out. What is, okay, whatever. You know what? Rejection therapy at its finest. Or what's it called? Okay. Go. 1, 2. Oh my god. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is happening here? What is leaking? Oh shit. My scrub be leaking. Shit. Shit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You probably see me be moving this around, but I gotta wash it anyways. Total of 9. Randomly. Alright. Okay, I guess this really is turning into a fucking spring cleaning vlog. I feel like an ass, like all my shit spread out. I could honestly do this in the shower. Honestly, I think, you know what, I think I did all that needed to be done. Oh, my fucking hair is fucking crazy. There's so many other ways that I could have done this. Get enough for me.
You hit me!
I just like to have a clean slate. Okie dokie. See what I mean? I came in here for this and then I end up doing that. It's crazy. You got me in a better place. I'm gonna watch these two.